Hi everyone, my name is Aditi Sathe. I come from India, originally from a city called Pune. I've done my master's in satellite application engineering from the University of Munich in Germany. For Chilice, my role is ground control and mission control. I will be overlooking the transfer of people, resources, and equipment from the Netherlands to Iceland and back. And I will also be involved in the team which will be on site in Iceland, overlooking the mission.
My name is Agata Mintus and I'm from Poland. I'm an architect working in analog research community. I did my master's in building technology at TU Delft. This year I will be the head of experiments during Chilice 2 mission. My responsibility is to be in touch with researchers in order to coordinate preparation and documentation of all studies.
สวัสดีครับผมชื่อชานะสิทธิปรีดานันท์ตอนนี้ผมเป็นนักเรียนที่กำลังศึกษาต่อในสาขาของงานวิศวกรรมและงานด้านวิทยาศาสตร์แต่โดยส่วนตัวแล้วความชอบด้านศิลปะทำให้ผมต้องมาอยู่ในตำแหน่งงานที่นับว่าพิเศษมากครับมันเป็นตำแหน่งงานที่ต้องทำงานร่วมกันกับศาสตร์และศิลป์หลากหลายสาขาทีเดียวนี่ทำให้ผมต้องนำข้อดีข้อเสียต่างๆมาประยุกต์ใช้เพื่อให้เกิดประโยชน์สูงสุดจากทั้งสองฝั่งไม่ว่าจะเป็นวิทยาศาสตร์หรือศิลปะก็ตามตอนนี้ผมได้กลายมาเป็นส่วนหนึ่งของ Chilice 2 ซึ่งเป็นภารกิจนักบินอวกาศอนาล็อกที่กำลังจะจัดขึ้นในไอซ์แลนด์ในตอนนี้ความรับผิดชอบที่ผมมีต่อ Chilice นั้นประกอบไปด้วยการดูแลด้านการออกแบบงานศิลป์ต่างๆการจัดการแบรนด์รวมถึงการสร้างงานต่างๆไม่ว่าจะเป็นวัตถุที่เราต้องนำมาใช้งานจริงในระหว่างการปฏิบัติการในพื้นที่ไปจนถึงความรับผิดชอบอื่นๆที่ฝั่งงานศิลปะดีไซน์และวิจัยซึ่งผมมีส่วนเกี่ยวข้องนั้นอาจจะจำเป็นที่จะต้องรับผิดชอบด้วยเช่นกันครับ
I'm Killian Murphy. I'm an Irish astrophysicist with a bachelor's degree in physics with astronomy and space science and a master's degree in space science and technology. I'm the head of astronauts for the Chilice 2 mission, which means it's my job to make sure that we select high quality candidates for our astronaut crew and that they will be well trained for the mission that they're going to be performing.
Hi, I'm David. I am an engineering PhD student from the UK. For Chilice 2, I am working on mission control support for project coordination. So I'm assisting with making sure that people get their tasks done and know what tasks they need to do.
Ciao, il mio nome è Leonora e sono italiana. Il mio background è industrial design e al momento mi sto specializzando in architettura spaziale, ergonomia e fattori umani per lo sviluppo di missioni a lungo termine nello spazio. Da Chilice ricopro il ruolo di responsabile degli affari esterni, che significa che devo trovare e prendermi cura degli sponsor e degli investitori per lo sviluppo della nostra missione e della nostra ricerca.
Goedendag, mijn naam is Emmanuel Lessig. I am from Antwerp in Belgium, and my education is I have a master's degree in software engineering from the University of Oxford. I also have a bachelor degree in electronics and ICT from the University of Antwerp in Belgium. My role in the Chilice 2 mission is that of ground control lead. So I will be making sure that all mission objectives are met in Iceland. So I will have the lead for the whole mission control team on site in Ireland. I will make sure that all materials and equipment are present so that mission success is guaranteed. I will make sure that the team cooperates well on site, that the schedule is met, and that all partners on site are satisfied.
Bienvenido, obrigado y buena suerte. Mi nombre es Jesse Forte y soy un astronauta de analogijo y jefe de alcance de IC. El propósito de este mensaje es hacerle saber que me uniré al equipo y lo apoyaré mientras persigo mi pasión como astronauta. So long story short, we're getting ready for our mission in Iceland with the IC's team. I'll be head of outreach and communications, working with our design teams, our lab, our analog astronauts, and pursuing the passion and the dream. So you guys stay tuned, check out what we got going on. We have our public quiz coming up. I'll be setting us up with some great events happening within the next couple months. And I'm just really excited to be on this team, to be in this groove, and to be making it happen. Stay tuned, we got some special things coming up. Peace.
నమస్తే నా పేరు జోయల్ మనోహర్ నేను భారతదేశంలో జన్మించాను నా ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ I have a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering back from Christ University, Bangalore, India. and I also have a master's degree in astronautics and space engineering at Cranfield University, UK. So I'm the head of communications and socials for ICE Space Chile 2022 analog missions. So that means I'm responsible to showcase what's actually going behind the curtains and to give you a better picture of what our organization is actually doing, what events we're trying to conduct in terms of social media posts and all the other outreach events.
Vanakkam, my name is Joshika Sachidanandan and I come from India. I have a bachelor's degree in aerospace engineering and I'm currently pursuing my master's also in aerospace from TU Delft in the Netherlands. I serve as the head of communications for the Chilice team, which means I'm in charge of social media operations as well as outreach efforts, creating and posting content to increase our visibility in the space community, as well as developing and maintaining the Chilice brand.
My name is Justin Awa. I'm originally from New York City and I'm working with the external affairs team with Chilice. I have an educational background in psychology, mostly pharmacology and neuroscience, economics, as well as a couple of years of work in astronomy lab. I'm currently taking the Master of Space Studies in Strasbourg in France, where I'm having a very diverse Master of Space Studies education, and I'm excited to be working with the Chilice team.
Bonjour, bonjour, je m'appelle Marion Duguay et je suis française. J'ai fait une double licence en Angleterre en mathématiques et physique et actuellement je vis aux Pays-Bas où je fais un master en analyse politique. Donc avec le projet Chilice, je coordonne le projet en fait de manière générale, c'est-à-dire que je fais en sorte que les deadlines sont respectés et aussi que tout le monde dans l'équipe soit heureux et que tout se passe au mieux en fait pour la préparation de la mission.
Ik ben Niels, ik kom uit Nederland, Amsterdam om specifiek te zijn. Ik ben opgeleid als IT Business Manager. Binnen Chilice ben ik verantwoordelijk als Mission Control Center specialist. Ik zal helpen de astronauten op de grond te begeleiden vanuit Mission Control. En daarnaast help ik ook Jaap, de andere collega die bezig is met het System Engineering gedeelte, om te zorgen dat we daar een heel mooi gaaf systeem neer gaan zetten om de missie zo veilig mogelijk en zo geavanceerd mogelijk te laten verlopen.
Hi, I'm Paran. I'm from the United Kingdom. I'm currently studying at the University of Leicester, doing a Master's in Space Systems Engineering, and I'm part of the experiments team here at Mission Control. We decide what the analog astronauts will be doing and make sure that critical research is facilitated during the missions.
Hoi, ik ben Renate. Ik kom uit Nederland en ik zal de nieuwe Rescue Coordinator zijn tijdens de nieuwe Chilice missie. Als Rescue Coordinator zal ik verantwoordelijk zijn voor het trainen van astronauten en het team in IJsland. Daarnaast zal ik ook nog verantwoordelijk zijn voor de veiligheid van de astronauten tijdens de missie. Ik studeer zelf luchtvaarttechniek aan de Hogeschool in Holland in Delft. En daarnaast heb ik ook nog wekelijkse trainingen bij het Rode Kruis om mijn EHBO op peil te houden.
Hi, my name's Tori and I'm coming to you from Adelaide, Australia. My educational background is a bit of a mix. I actually studied archaeology and museum studies. But after working in the space sector for a few years, I'm about to finish a Master's in Business Administration and I've just started a degree in engineering. My role in Chilice 2 is as head of logistics. So it's my job to make sure I can get all of the people and all of the equipment we need to have a successful mission to Iceland in August on time. I'm ready to go for our mission.
Ciao, sono Yuri, sono uno studente italiano, laureato in triennale al Politecnico di Milano in ingegneria aerospaziale e ora mi trovo a Delft, in Olanda, dove sto seguendo una laurea magistrale in ingegneria spaziale. Al momento sto lavorando alla mia tesi sui detriti spaziali presso l'Agenzia Spaziale Europea e all'interno di Chilice mi occupo di acquisition, quindi lavoro per i contatti con le aziende per quanto riguarda gli sponsor e i contatti con altri ricercatori.